So today we'll be looking at how a pump filter works. This is the filter, and what will happen if to the washing machine or to the pump if there was no pump filter. So in most cases you'll find debris or leftovers like coils. If they're left in the pocket, they find their way to the pump. Coins, rings, nuts, bolts. So this is where the pump is mounted. This is the filter. Here's the filter. Let me lock it. And in most cases, the coins come from the drum. This is where this is the sump hose, so it's connected here. So they come from the drum to the pump filter debris if you leave them in the pocket. So what will happen, to demonstrate this correctly, we'll take the parts. Here we have them, and then this is where they'll come from. It's where they'll enter the pump. Keys, everything. So if it's big, it won't fit. That is what happens. So in most cases, if it can't fit, it can't enter. If there are small things, they will enter, like nuts, screwdrivers, keys. In most cases, if the sump hose is on, put them down here. This is the part that will come in from the washing machine drum. But, so that is what will happen. So as you can see, they won't reach the pump. The pump is mounted here. All the debris, however small or big they are, most of them, they won't reach the pump. So here the pump is mounted. So an example of a pump. This is how a pump looks like. So it is mounted here. You can see when keys come in, large particles, they won't enter, they won't interfere with the impeller of the pump. In this case, this is for Samsung, this is for Bosch. So that is how it's opened. So this is how it looks like. So the same case here, they will enter from this part, the small objects, the keys and whatever. Let me show you. Like if it's a key, it will enter from this point. So it won't reach the pump. The pump is mounted here. So that is where it will be. coins will enter from here. That is where they will be trapped. So that's how coin filter works, and it is the opposite when there is no coin filter. Let us imagine don't try this. I have so many filters, so if we remove the filter, what will happen? So there's no filter. Now let us connect it. So this one has a filter, this one doesn't have a filter. We have removed the filter. So let us reconnect this. So you can see this one has a filter, and the filter, we have removed the filter part of it. So on this we have removed the filter part. Yeah. So this is how the filter looks like. So let us see what will happen if the filter part is not connected. Here we have two pumps, so allow connect this one. This one here. So let's now take our coins and rings. So this is where they will enter the pump part. So you can see that this pump will be affected. The one for recirculation will be affected. Also this one will be affected. Once the small things you can see now, they can come out easily. So a coin filter is very important. If there is no coin filter, right, then there is no pump filter, the pumps will be affected. If we remove this pump, debris will be here, so they will affect the impeller. Like in this process, the impeller was removed by coins. It won't rotate properly, hence it won't drain out the water.